Good morning.
Not good.
Not good morning. So we woke up to beach day today and
Lost my phone.
as we tried to look for it, maybe in the house, might be. Hi, Olive. Yeah, we tried to find it. It's not in the house. It is somewhere else. Someone else's house. It's gonna be an adventure. We're gonna try and figure out how to get this phone. This is looking better. Alright, so we found out where RJ's phone is. So now we're going to go there, figure out what happened to it. If it could possibly be a case of leaving it in the Uber or someone taking it because they're secretly trying to get at RJ. Ooh. We are now on the way to pick up RJ's lost iPhone.
17 minutes away. It's in Encino.
Alright, let's do this. Think about it. No one told us where his phone is. The internet is telling us where his phone is. No physical person told us this. RJ, your phone is here. I have your phone. No. The internet. Type some stuff up. And then your phone is here. So now we're going to this place where the internet told us to go. So that's what we're going on. That is such an amazing thing to like take in consideration. We're only going here because the internet told us to.
Yeah, I mean, if we didn't have access to the Find My iPhone app, we'd still be at the house calling the phone or going to T-Mobile just to get a new one.
That's the story. We have now arrived at the location. Now, I have decided that the reason why the phone isn't being answered because it's still in the driver's car. Now, we are going to contact the last Uber driver that we had and see if we can determine that the phone is in fact in that driver's. This is the said driver. Really nice, very nice lady. I lost an item. Contact my driver about lost item.
Press 1 to start your call.
Hello, did we leave a phone in your car last night?
What?
I think we might have left
I don't understand. What you leave?
a phone?
Oh,
Yeah.
I don't think so, but I can check later a little bit.
Okay.
Do you live in Encino by chance?
Yeah, we think we might have left.
2,000 years later.
Yeah, people don't like being. I wouldn't like to be woken up. I'd be grumpy too. She's pretty grumpy. So we're gonna see.
And how?
Let's go to the beach.
A few moments later.
Just waiting.
Later.
We're still here. It's about 9:40 now. I got a panda on my shoulders.
12 seconds later.
I want an omelet.
Many months later.
Alright, it's 10 o'clock. We are now going to try and contact her again. She's not gonna answer.
Your call has been forwarded to the voice.
So what do we do with this situation?
Let's go to Target, pick up my check, and then we'll come back.
Alright, let's do that.
So, that's what we're gonna do.
One eternity later.
RJ's FaceTiming with the girls.
It's okay, I don't care.
And the Uber driver finally woke up.
And I'm trying to
You
get
had some dick last night?
Oh yeah. Absolutely.
People thought we were gay. They thought we were boyfriends.
We have to tell them our life story.
Yeah, they're like, oh, that makes
Oh, that's why you were so close.
sense. So you
guys are gay.
Yeah. So you're not gay. I don't know, we might be gay, but not for each other. So funny.
Meanwhile.
So now we just got his phone. That lady was a bitch though. She was so mean.
She was asking for a tip when she made us wait.
Naughty. Now we're gonna go head to Target and work it. Oh my god, love it, love it, love it. We are now in Santa Monica after freaking 6 hours of adventure time. Our day will now begin and
2 hours later.
we're here! Yeah! What's up, beaches? It's beach day and we are going to do some tricking! Like my necklace? So we're gonna play a game. We have to drink this beverage. And once we finish it, put the bottle underneath our chin. We have to roll, run around the trash can, come back, roll after each zone, and then come back here, all the while holding the bottle under our neck. Ready, set, that was terrible. Man, stinks. Feel better. I'm done.